Hello, camera enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, let's dive into the Sony HX99, a compact yet versatile point-and-shoot camera that brings a lot of power in a tiny package. If you're looking for a travel-friendly camera with impressive zoom capabilities and some advanced features, this one might just catch your eye. So let's get into what makes the HX99 special. First up, the Sony HX99 boasts a 30x optical zoom, which is equivalent to a 24 to 720 mm range in full-frame terms. This kind of zoom capability is perfect for travelers and street photographers who want to capture everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups without swapping lenses. The lens also has optical steady shot to help reduce camera shake, which is crucial when zooming in at such long focal lengths. Another highlight is the 18.2 megapixel Exmor R CMOS sensor, paired with the BIONZ X image processor. This combination allows the HX99 to produce detailed images even in low-light conditions. The sensor's back-illuminated design helps capture more light, resulting in clearer photos with less noise. You'll also get 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, which ensures that your footage is sharp and vibrant. One of the most loved features of the HX99 is its pop-up electronic viewfinder, EVF. It's a great addition for those who prefer a more traditional shooting experience, especially in bright sunlight where the LCD screen might be hard to see. Just pop it up when you need it and tuck it away when you don't. It's convenient and adds to the versatility of this camera. For those who like to shoot on the go, the HX99 offers fast autofocus with Eye AF. This feature tracks the subject's eyes quickly and accurately, making it ideal for portraits or capturing moments where the subject is in motion. The AF speed, combined with continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second, helps you capture those fleeting moments without missing a beat. The rear of the camera features a 3-inch tiltable touchscreen display, which makes it easy to frame shots from different angles, whether you're taking selfies or shooting from a low perspective. The touchscreen functionality also lets you quickly change settings or focus points, making it a user-friendly experience. Lastly, the Sony HX99 includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can easily transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet using the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app. This makes sharing your travel photos on social media quick and hassle-free. Overall, the Sony HX99 is a versatile compact camera that's great for anyone who needs a lightweight yet powerful device for photography and videography. It packs a surprising amount of features into a small form factor, making it an excellent companion for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more camera reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.